Namaskar, good morning, Sister Carl. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, Julejiano. I'm Gloria Georgia B from the GLORIAS Gloria Show. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 1st of August and today we are visiting IKEA. IKEA is a conglomerate that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, kitchen appliances, home accessories, among other goods and home services.
Hello YouTube family. So today we are moving to IKEA store and it is 19 kilometers far from my location, as you can see. Is it visible or not?
Yes,
yes. It's 19 kilometers far and I'll be driving. ये मेरी सबसे पहली इतनी ज़्यादा long drive होगी. So stay with me and let's have some fun.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, we just reached IKEA like 5 minutes ago, and at the starting we got sanitized, our temperature got checked, and everything is real good here. We are following all the COVID protocols so as to protect ourselves from the COVID-19. Well, we are already in IKEA, as you all guys can see, and this is the first part of IKEA. As you know that IKEA is divided into different sections. So this is the first part of IKEA, which is the living room decoration ideas. It includes all the things like armchairs, chairs, coffee, side tables, sofa beds, decoration items such as cushion covers, alarm clocks, potted plants, and frames, mirrors, and every single thing. It is so damn amazing. This is my first visit to IKEA, like my first experience in IKEA, and I am definitely loving it. So are you guys all ready to explore IKEA with me? Because it's absolutely amazing. As you all guys can see, it's just so damn amazing, because they give you so innovative ideas to decorate your own house in a wonderful way you want. So let's get started and explore IKEA with me.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the true blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. I keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk.
तो गाइस, अभी हम जस्ट डाइनिंग रूम आइडिया सेक्शन वाले में घुसे हैं. तो इसमें आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम डाइनिंग टेबल, डाइनिंग चेयर्स, फोल्डिंग चेयर्स, स्टूल, फोल्डिंग टेबल बार्स. और IKEA आपको बस यही नहीं बताता कि आपके फैमिली के लिए कौन सा परफेक्ट डाइनिंग टेबल है, बट वो आपको ये भी बताता है कि हाउ टू स्टाइल योर डाइनिंग रूम, इंक्लूडिंग वॉल्स, कलर्स, फ्लोरिंग, द लाइट फिक्सचर. IKEA में आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं. सो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर द मोर पार्ट्स ऑफ IKEA. सो गाइस, जैसे ही हम अपने डाइनिंग रूम आइडियाज़ वाले सेक्शन से बाहर निकले, हमारे सामने एक बहुत खूबसूरत सेक्शन आता है जो कि है वॉल यूनिट्स, मीडिया स्टोरेज यूनिट्स। ठीक है, आपको सबको पता ही है कि आपके घर में बुक, अगर कोई बुक लवर है तो उसको एक बुक शेल्फ चाहिए, कोई बहुत सारे सीडी डीवीडीज़ देखता है उसको एक एक शेल्फ चाहिए अपने लिए, टीवी देखने वालों को टीवी स्टोरेज यूनिट चाहिए। तो वैसे ही यहाँ पर आपको वैरायटी ऑफ बुक शेल्फ, सीडी एंड डीवीडी स्टोरेज, टीवी स्टोरेज यूनिट्स और मैनी यूज़फुल स्टोरेज यूनिट्स मिल जाएंगे। आपके नीड के हिसाब से यहाँ पर मिल जाएंगे। यहाँ पर यू कैन कस्टमाइज़ योर ओन थिंग इफ़ यू डोंट वांट ऑलरेडी जो बने हुई चीज़ें हैं, तो आप उनसे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं और उनसे पूछ सकते हैं कि अगर यू कैन गेट द थिंग यू वांट। और सच बताऊँ, IKEA इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेस टू गेट द फर्नीचर फ्रॉम। घर बना रहे हो, यहाँ पर आओ और टेंशन को साइड में रखते हुए यहाँ से एक अच्छी घर की स्टोरेज यूनिट्स, आइदर स्टार्टिंग इट फ्रॉम बेड, सोफ़ा, हर चीज़ यहाँ मिल जाती है। ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल लव IKEA, सो विजिट IKEA एज सून एज पॉसिबल। प्रिटी क्विकली हमने IKEA का जो चिल्ड्रन सेक्शंस है उसमें कदम रख दिए हैं। ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज़ द मोस्ट कलरफुल, मोस्ट सूदिंग, मोस्ट रिलैक्सिंग प्लेस एवर। अगर आप IKEA में पूरा घूम रहे हो तो आपको यहाँ पर जो कलर्स, every single thing, the way that is decorated is just so relaxing, so soothing to the eyes. Children's IKEA section में आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी, starting it from bed and crib linens, children's bed, child safety items, cribs, storage items, toy storage items, study room ideas, many more beautiful things. Trust me, the colors over there were just so soothing to my eyes that I was just wondering if I was a child at this point of time. इतनी प्यारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर आपको मिल रही हैं, स्टार्टिंग इट फ्रॉम स्टोरेजेस। ट्रस्ट मी, यहाँ से जाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा था। इन्जॉय द व्लॉग, इन्जॉय दिस सेक्शन ऑफ चिल्ड्रंस, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल लव द होल व्लॉग। कीप watching the vlog and like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't still. Guys, we have finally entered the cookware and tableware section, which includes many amazing things for your kitchen, starting from cutlery, tableware, glasses, jars, pots, and pans. It also includes wide varieties of plates, cups, and bakewares too, and at really affordable price. It also has huge varieties of glasses, mugs, plates, spoons, boxes, and every useful kitchen item that you need. Trust me, the quality is just absolutely amazing. आपको इस सेक्शन में भी बहुत मज़ा आएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको वैरायटी ऑफ थिंग्स मिलेंगी लेने के लिए। और सच बताऊँ, मेरी मम्मी को और मुझे ये सेक्शन दूसरे नंबर पे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया बिकॉज़ यहाँ पर आपको इतनी अच्छी वैरायटी मिल रही है चीज़ों की, इतनी प्यारी वैरायटी, एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ द थिंग इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग। मतलब आप उस पर भरोसा कर सकते हो, चीज़ों पे भरोसा कर सकते हो बिकॉज IKEA इज़ रियली गुड एट द क्वालिटी थिंग्स। सो ये सेक्शन में बहुत मज़ा आएगा बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन हु लव्स बेकिंग, ट्रस्ट में ये सेक्शन में से आपको बाहर जाने का मन नहीं करेगा बिकॉज दिस सेक्शन इज़ सच वंडरफुल सेक्शन बिकॉज यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारी वैराइटीज़ ऑफ चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं एंड यू विल लव इट। सो कीप ऑन वॉचिंग द व्लॉग एंड कंटिन्यू टू एंजॉय द व्लॉग विद मी बिकॉज सच बताऊँ तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था।
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
Guys, now we are finally at the bedroom decoration section, which includes beds, bedside tables, bunk beds, chest of drawers, closet storage systems, mattresses, and many more interesting stuff. Trust me, this was an amazing section to explore. यहाँ पर इतना मज़ा आया because you know we were a little tired. हम इतना घूम चुके थे कि हम थोड़ा टायर्ड हो गए थे, तो हमने क्या सोचा कि हम इस सेक्शन को पहले एक्सप्लोर करेंगे सो दैट वी कैन रिलैक्स अ बिट इफ़ वी गेट टायर्ड. और यही हमने किया. जो भी बेड हमें मिल रहा था खाली हम उस पर जाके थोड़ी देर बैठ जा रहे थे एंड वी वर जस्ट यू नो हम मज़ा उठा रहे थे वो मैट्रेस का बिकॉज दैट मैट्रेस वॉज जस्ट यू नो अमेजिंग. इट वॉज जस्ट सो डैम गुड कि वहाँ से उठने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. बट बिकॉज हमें जल्दी घर जाना था और हमें जल्दी से एक्सप्लोर करना था, हमें बहुत भूख लग रही थी इस टाइम पे, तो इसीलिए हमने वहाँ से उठने का प्रयास किया और हम आगे बढ़े. यहाँ पर इतने प्यारे रूम डेकोरेशन आइडियाज़ थे. यू नो एनी टाइप ऑफ डेकोरेशन यू वांट, यहाँ पर वो परफेक्टली अवेलेबल था. यहाँ पर मैट्रेसेस, पिलोस, एवरी सिंगल थिंग मिल रही थी. और यहाँ पर इतना मज़ा आया क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर ज़्यादा देर बैठे थे. ठीक है, बाकी हमने ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं, हम बस यहाँ घूमे और उसके बाद जाके जो हमें रूम खाली मिल रहा था या फिर जो बेड हमें खाली मिल रहा था वहाँ जाके हम बैठ जा रहे थे बिकॉज हम बहुत ज़्यादा थक गए थे. बट ट्रस्ट मी, IKEA इज़ अ वंडरफुल प्लेस टू एक्सप्लोर. अगर आप यहाँ आते हो तो आप एकदम खुल के आइए, मतलब यू नो सारी टेंशन को हटा के आराम से इंजॉय करने के लिए आइए, आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? Heart is starting to liquefy. Need you here to tell me that it'll be okay. Maybe one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me at the end? Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations. Hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay. No small doses, smell of roses. Can't get enough of you. Can't wait to love you. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations. Hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back.
सो गाइस, वी हैव फाइनली एंटर द वॉशरूम सेक्शन. हमने हमारा वॉशरूम वाला सेक्शन एंटर कर लिया है. यहाँ पर आपको इतनी अच्छी वैरायटी की चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम बाथरूम एक्सेसरीज, वॉशरूम एक्सेसरीज, वॉशरूम कैबिनेट्स, मेडिसिन कैबिनेट्स, शावर कर्टन्स, टाल, वेनिटीज़, जो भी चाहिए आपको वो यहाँ पर मिल जाएगा. वॉश बेसिन का स्टाइल, इफ़ यू वांट अ गुड हैंडी मिरर, वो मिल जाएगा आपको. हर चीज़ यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाएगी. यू जस्ट हैव टू एक्सप्लोर अ लिटिल और आपको अपनी नीड के हिसाब से अपना बेस्ट चीज़ चूज़ करनी है. इट वॉज़ अ स्मॉल सेक्शन बट बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा सेक्शन था ये. इट वॉज सच अ वंडरफुल सेक्शन बिकॉज यहाँ पर बहुत सूदिंग कलर्स थे, न्यूट्रल कलर्स थे. ऑब्वियसली वॉशरूम्स में न्यूट्रल कलर्स होते हैं, बट दिस वॉज जस्ट अमेजिंग. एंड नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द अदर सेक्शन. आई होप यू आर एंजॉइंग द व्लॉग. इफ़ यू आर, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Guys, so we have finally entered our main section, which is the kitchen section. Ye section was so beautiful, so well organized, because this was our kitchen section. Kitchen section में आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं, starting from kitchen decoration ideas. आपको बहुत सारे ideas मिलते हैं कि how you can decorate your kitchen as you know, as per your need. And we also see the kind of kitchen cabinets, kitchen doors, countertops, kitchen sinks, faucets, kitchen accessories, freestanding kitchen. यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ मिल जाते हैं. ट्रस्ट मी, दिस वॉज सच अ गुड सेक्शन, बिकॉज यहाँ पर सब कुछ ग्लास का था. इट वॉज लुकिंग सो एलिगेंट, सो यू नो वर्थ वॉचिंग, एंड वी काइंड enjoyed looking at every single kitchen section. If you're liking the vlog till now, please continue watching it, and if you haven't subscribed and liked my video, please do that right now. Continue watching, and I will see you in a bit.
It was the start of my sophomore year. I had my broken heart, you were my biggest fear, and then you watched me run out of all the right things to say, still finding reasons to stay with you. Gave you a call because I needed a ride, and never thought I'd be with you in your passenger side. And now we're driving downtown. Baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21, yeah. I don't mind if you stay on my side and never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. Like, while we're up in my room, I'm laughing. Your feet are too small when you try on my shoes, and then search my face now. Well, I could tell you're not done, and I would usually run, but I don't mind if you stay.
प्रीटी क्विकली हमने अपना ऑफिस स्टोरेज सेक्शन भी एक्सप्लोर करना शुरू कर दिया है. दिस इज़ दी ऑफिस स्टोरेज सेक्शन. यहाँ पर आपको बहुत अच्छे अच्छे तरीके के डेस्क, चेयर्स और बहुत अच्छे कंप्यूटर टेबल्स और स्टडी टेबल्स मिल जाएंगे. एंड दिस सेक्शन वाज सो गुड. मतलब इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू शॉप फॉर योर चाइल्ड, और आप अगर अपने ऑफिस के लिए कुछ ख़रीदना जा रहे हैं यहाँ पर, तो यू विल लव दिस सेक्शन, एंड कीप कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग द व्लॉग बिकॉज इट्स गोना बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एट द एंड.
Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa. Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me.
So guys, after we were done shopping the whole thing, we were not allowed to record anything at the billing counter, so हमने वहाँ पे record नहीं किया. But after getting done with all the things, we went to the IKEA food court and we had lots of food there because we were really hungry. We were really tired because IKEA is a long way to explore, and trust me, we were really tired. So हमने यहाँ पर इतना खाना खाया and the food was quite good. Not really bad, but okay, fine. It was really good. You had many options starting from biryani, curry chawal, chicken tikka plus rice, chicken nuggets, pizza, and every single thing. There were lots of drinks available there too, and we quite enjoyed the food, and it was worth eating.
few moments
And
later.
yeah, this was the
Hey guys,
IKEA
so we are
vlog.
back from IKEA and we actually opened some stuff and we are left with some of it. So now we're gonna open it with you and see how the thing really goes about. And the first thing I bought was these two cushions and I bought it for my room, and now we have to open it to check out if the quality is really good or not. So that is what we are doing right now. We're just try to scratch it out. It's not like this. You can do it like this. Open it and yes, we get our cushion out and see if it is really worth it. We have our cushion out and this is really good in quality. I can open the second one too and just check if that is amazing too. It takes quite time to open it. We bought two cushions. One is in baby pink color and one is in yellow mustard color. This is how it really looks like. We have two of them. The red one, the pink one and the yellow one. As you guys can see, it's quite good. We also have a few of the other cushions which are the bigger one. We can open them too and see if they are good or not. Open it from there. And yes, we open them up and see if the quality is good of this or not. This is pretty good. We have to just, keep it in sun for like 1 hour something and it will fluff up. That's what our IKEA member suggested us. We have two of them. We were not opening the other one too. We have some frames left with us. These are two frames. One is in baby pink color and one is in white color. It is around $199 each, probably, yes. And we are opening them now. We bought this, I don't know what is this called, but okay, fine. Probably I don't know, okay, leave it. So we also have some candles. We bought it to lighten up our altar, like when we pray up. We bought these two candles for that. We also have a watch we bought from IKEA. It costed us around maybe $1,000 or something, and it's pretty good. It looks pretty good. Also, we bought these two stools, which are sitting stools. You can use it anywhere. Now I'm going to sit and tell you how it really feels to sit on this. It's pretty good. Trust me, it's very comfortable. It can actually take up a quite, heavy weight, and it's pretty good. You can see it's amazing. It's lightweighted, so you can actually, pick it up from somewhere and keep it other. And yes, we also have these small plants, artificial plants. We bought a pot for this, and these are the plants. We keep them inside. We have 3 of them. One is here, one is on the other side, and one is on the table right next to it. This is the second one. It's pretty cute. And yes. And the third one is this one. This is also pretty cute. And yes, we have 3 of them, and it was around maybe $2.99 or something. It was pretty good. And let's move on to my room to check out more good stuff. Hi, welcome to my room. You can just take a quick overview to check out my room. विजिट किया था, आप सब जानते हैं. So we bought pretty good stuff from there. सबसे पहली चीज है हमारे curtains. These are peachy pink colored curtains. I just wanted to buy something really new for my room. तो मैंने ये choose किया, and they are pretty good. They are cotton in fabric. We also bought some many good stuff more. The very first thing is this lamp. हम एक lamp लेके आए हैं, and it's pretty good in light. You can just shut off the lights and see if it is really cool or not. We're gonna do that. You can see it's pretty good. After that, we also bought this alarm clock. हम एक alarm clock लेके आए हैं, which is really good. आप जब सो के उठो, अगर इसमें alarm बज रहा है, so you can just press it and it will start, having a light on it. और उसकी वजह से आपको बहुत easy होगा देखना what is the time if you keep your lights shut and off at night. We also brought this scented candle, which is chocolate and almond candle, and it's pretty good. It smells amazing. Or we also brought this ceramic pot, which we have not decided what to keep it in. और अभी हम इसमें probably कुछ plant करेंगे and we'll keep it just beside my table. और ये भी बहुत सुंदर है. It's in pastel pink color, which looks really cool. Guys, we also bought some cookware. हम बहुत सारे mugs और cups लेके आए हैं. First is this saucer with coffee mug. हम ये saucer with coffee mug लेके आए हैं. This is pretty cool. This is in grayish color and it looks pretty good. उसके बाद we bought this Ziploc bags. ये सब्जी रखने के लिए bags होते हैं. And they are 25 each. एक छोटा bag है, एक बड़ा bag है to keep the vegetables in. We also brought these 4 छोटे डब्बे. This basically has cardamoms, cloves, cardamoms. We have some cashew nuts and we also have some almonds. यहाँ पर हमने 4 चीजें डाली हुई हैं छोटे डब्बों में, जिसमें फर्स्ट चीज है हमारी इलायची. We also have some लौंग. उसके बाद हमारे पास काजू हैं, बादाम हैं. And we also brought this basket. ये basket हम इसलिए लाए थे क्योंकि ये जो सामान था ये हमारे टेबल पे ऐसे पड़ा रहता था. So we thought of just doing it and keep it in one. So we brought this basket to keep it in. And we also brought these teacups. And these are tea mugs basically. और ये भी बहुत सुंदर हैं. These are in navy blue color. The dark navy blue color. And it costed us around 99 each. Yes, and it's pretty good. We also brought many other stuff including this. and yeah, it was pretty worth going to IKEA. If you like this video, please do give a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and please tell me how did you like my IKEA vlog. Till then, take care and bye bye.